Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unplugging and labeling both ends so you never lose track. This saves time later. Next, sort cables into power, data, and audio groups, and assign color codes to each group so everything reads at a glance. Measure cable lengths and mark where surplus exists. This tells you which to shorten, coil, or reroute. Once done, position devices roughly where they will sit. Make sure to keep power supplies accessible, and leave a little slack for movement and ventilation. Now route cables along plan channels, keeping runs straight and tight to minimize tangles. Follow baseboards, the back of the desk, or a cable tray. Bundle cables that run the same direction with Velcro or zip ties, and space fasteners every 6 to 12 inches to maintain neat lines. Separate power from data runs to reduce interference. Make intentional crossing points at right angles when they must intersect. Once routed, secure anchor points with adhesive mounts and trim excess zip tie tails for a clean finish. Finish by labeling visible ends and creating a one-page map of connections so you can change gear later without guessing. Coil spare length into loose Velcro loops and stash them out of sight. Avoid tight bends that stress conductors. Power up and test each device methodically. If something fails, stop and recheck the labels, retrace the route, and verify continuity and correct separation between power and data. If interference persists, swap cable pairs or add ferrite beads as
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.